Not sure whether to keep your own crypto key or let someone else hold it for you? This guide to custodial versus non-custodial wallets can help. With a custodial wallet, a third party takes custody of the private key instead of the crypto owner. With a non-custodial wallet, the crypto owner holds their own private key and, therefore, their funds. One drawback of a non-custodial wallet is the lack of recovery options in case users lose their password. Non-custodial wallets, however, give users full ownership of their cryptocurrency. It makes them responsible for safeguarding their own private keys and funds. Welcome to JA Crypto. Selecting the best type of wallet for storing and safeguarding digital assets is crucial when it comes to owning crypto. There are many different types of wallets on the market, and things can get confusing on what to choose. In this video, we dive deeper into custodial and non-custodial wallets. To understand how a custodial wallet works, it's important to know first how crypto wallets work. Crypto wallets do not actually contain a user's funds. Instead, they contain the public key, which lets the user set up transactions, and the private key, which is used to authorize transactions. As its name suggests, a custodial wallet is where a third party takes custody of private keys on behalf of users. The third party has full control over the crypto assets, assuming the responsibility of managing the user's wallet key, signing transactions, and protecting the user's crypto assets. Generally, custodial wallets are available from crypto exchanges or a custodial wallet provider in the form of a mobile or web app. Once users log into their wallet account, they use the wallet provider's interface to manage their funds and make transactions. This means users must trust the service provider to securely store their tokens and implement strong security measures to prevent unauthorized access. These measures can include two-factor authentication, email confirmation, and biometric authentication, such as facial recognition or fingerprint verification. Pros and cons of custodial wallets. Pros. Wallet interface is typically user-friendly and easy to set up. Less stressful to manage, interface does not require advanced technical knowledge to manage. Full account recovery is possible if a user loses or forgets their password. Cons. Users do not have full control of their keys and funds. The security of the keys and funds are entirely up to the wallet service provider. If a user loses their private keys or seed phrase, they lose access to their funds. A non-custodial wallet, or self-custody wallet, is where the crypto owner is fully responsible for managing their own funds. The user has full control of their crypto holdings, manages their own private key, and handles transactions themselves. Non-custodial wallets can take on different forms. Browser-based wallets are a type of browser extension, allowing users to put in their private key and initiate transactions. Mobile wallets come in the form of downloadable mobile apps. Meanwhile, hardware wallets are physical devices. Because hardware wallets can be accessed and managed offline, many consider them to be the most secure option. Non-custodial wallets provide users with a seed phrase. Upon creating the wallet, users will be asked to write down and keep a set of 12 randomly generated words, known as a recovery, seed, or mnemonic phrase. From this phrase, the public and private keys can be generated. It also acts as a backup or a recovery mechanism in case users lose access to their original device. Anyone with the seed phrase will be able to gain full control of the funds held in a user's wallet. In a scenario where the seed phrase is lost, the user will lose access to their funds. The user is in charge of managing and fulfilling each transaction. Users need their private keys to send funds and complete other transactions. Depending on the non-custodial wallet being used, the transaction can either be reflected real-time on-chain or signed offline and uploaded to the blockchain for confirmation later on. Pros and cons of non-custodial wallets. Pros. Users have full ownership and control over their crypto holdings. Users can hold their private keys offline, which makes it harder for malicious party to steal them. Interacts directly with the blockchain. Cons. Users are solely responsible for managing and keeping their private keys. Lack of recovery options if keys are lost. Interface can be complex and less user-friendly. Now that we have laid out all the information, choosing the best option for your needs is up to you. Both custodial and non-custodial wallets have their own sets of benefits and limitations. For users who prioritize ease of use and backup recovery options, custodial wallets are a sensible solution. But for those who want full control and ownership of their private keys, non-custodial wallets might be what they're looking for. Ultimately, it is up to the user. Thank you for watching. Please click on the thumbs up button if you like this content and also click the subscribe button to be notified whenever we post new videos. Remember, always do your own research. All examples listed are for informational purposes only. Nothing contained herein shall constitute a solicitation, recommendation, endorsement, or offer by JA Crypto to invest, buy, or sell any digital assets.